Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, welcome back. In this video we are going to see about how to install Numpy in Python. First we will see whether Numpy is already installed in your PC or not. So I'll go to idle and type the command import numpy. Now I got an error message saying module not found error, no module named numpy, which means numpy is not installed in this PC. So I will close this shell and go to command prompt, and now I will install numpy using pip. We all know that pip is the package installer for Python. First we will check whether pip is already installed in your PC or not. Now you can see Python is already installed. The Python version is 3.9.1. So this version of Python already has the pip installed, so we no need to install it manually. Anyway, we will check whether pip is installed or not. To check that, use the command py space -m pip space version. Now you can see pip is already installed in the system, pip version 20.2.3, and also the location where the pip is being installed. Now we will install numpy. So to install numpy, use command pip install numpy. And also please note, you should have the proper internet connection to install numpy, because the packages will be installed from the internet. Now you can see the numpy is being installed. Now numpy is installed successfully. Now again go to the idle and type import numpy. Now you can see the numpy is installed, so it has entered into the package. Thanks for watching.